Hi, Linda with Linda Mitchell Coaching and Healing. Did you know that your body is a wealth of knowledge? Indigenous peoples throughout the world honor the body as a source of wisdom, yet most westernized societies like ours have socialized us to consider our bodies as problematic or something to control. Companies spend trillions of dollars to make us believe our bodies are inadequate, so we'll buy more products and not question the status quo. Yet your body is truly a gateway to the soul, to your infinite wisdom. Rather than flawed or wrong, your physicality is sacred and meant to be enjoyed. So, how can we break the chains of this rather oppressive socialization? Well, we can start by taking off the lens that conditions us to believe that our bodies are lacking or defective or unworthy of love. Really take some time to explore what it's like to relate to your body like a small child does, appreciating your body and relishing all it can do and the miracles of so many automatic functions. Rather than forcing your body to do things that are painful, start a dialogue with your body to find new habits and behaviors that will help you thrive. To do this, focus on any area of your body that you're struggling with. Close your eyes and just ask your body what message it would like to share with you. Notice what emerges. It might be a vision or a feeling or a sensation, a memory, a knowing, or even some words. Breathe deeply. Relax your body and send love to the body without any expectations or judgment. Keeping your eyes closed during this process, ask your body or a specific area of your body how you can best support it and see what comes up as you dialogue with your body. Continue the conversation, asking your body any specific questions, such as how you can establish healthy habits that will nourish you. Be curious about how you can best support your body and maybe journal or meditate on this. You may be surprised at the wisdom that emerges. When I started doing this, I struggled. So I encourage you to try it more than once or twice. But the truth is, now that I tune in regularly, there's an amazing amount of information that comes out. So if you feel any grief or betrayal, just allow yourself to forgive yourself. Give yourself some loving kindness. Do this process as often as you would like and watch your relationship with your body transform in powerful ways. In the next video, I'm going to talk about listening to your body and its messages and how our different issues land in different parts of our tissues. It's all about body wisdom. So tune in. See you there.